Good morning, children. We have done differentiation. We are still on differentiation. Basic rules remains all over the same. We have done functions of function. But what we have done so far, if you look at the problems, it is basically y is a function of x. Y is one side, x on the other side. But supposing there is a function like this. X square y plus y square x is equal to 1. Now, if you look at it, making y the subject of formula will be difficult because it will go on to a quadratic equation. See, if the function is there where it is y cannot be segregated, y cannot be brought to one side, we call the function as implicit function. The other functions which we have done where y is a function of x, clearly y one side, x on the other side, y is called the explicit function of x. Okay. So, there are two types of functions. One is explicit and implicit. So, that is explicit function. Y is a function of x, y on one side, x on the other side. But if the function is like this, where y cannot be segregated, y cannot be brought to one side, then these are known as implicit function. Now, the question will say find dy by dx, means what? Means differentiating y with respect to x. Now, when it is implicit function, we do not go on segregating or separating. We straightway differentiate. Now, differentiating, since it says find dy by dx, now look at the sum. So, supposing this is given x square y plus xy square equal to 1, and it says find dy by dx, means we are differentiating with respect to x. So, we have to write here now differentiating with respect to x. Now, what we will do? We follow the same rules what we have followed earlier. So, if it is differentiation of x with respect to x, it will be 1. When it comes to x square, the differentiation is 2x square. When it comes to y square, so y square differentiation of x square is 2x, differentiation of y square is 2y. In addition, since we are differentiating y with respect to x, we multiply it with dy by dx. I will come to the sum. So, I repeat, differentiation of x square with respect to x is 2x, and we write 2x and nothing else. But differentiation of y square with respect to x, differentiation of y square will be 2y into dy by dx. That factor has to be added to it. Okay? I mean, added means not summation, we multiply it with dy by dx. Is that okay? Now, here if you look at the first one, it is product of two functions. So, we follow the same rule as product. So, differentiating with respect to x is differentiation of x square y plus differentiation of y square x is differentiation of 1. So, sum of two or more terms, differentiation of two or more terms. Now, here it is product of 2. So, product of 2, so this is x square into differentiation of y plus y into differentiation of x square. Then the second factor y square into differentiation of x plus x into differentiation of y square, and differentiation of a constant is 0. So, I repeat, product of two functions, first into differentiation of second plus second into differentiation of first, same thing here, differentiation of constant is 0. Now, differentiation of x is 1. So, differentiation of x with respect to x is 1, differentiation of y will also be 1, but then the factor dy by dx to be multiplied here. So, this remains x square into differentiation of y with respect to x is dy by dx. Here y differentiation of x square is 2x. We do not write dx by dx or dy by dx. Okay, dx by dx is 1, so that is it. Here it is y square into differentiation of x is 1 plus x differentiation of y square is 2y, and since y with respect to x, so the only difference is differentiating y following the same formula and multiply with dy by dx. That is what I did here. I did here y square is 2y into dy by dx, right. Question says find dy by dx. So, the term containing dy by dx, we keep it on one side. So, here so, terms containing dy by dx on one side, without dy by dx on the other side, take dy by dx common. So, I repeat, implicit function when y cannot be separated from x. You do not go on separating, simply you have to find dy by dx. So, differentiating with respect to x is important to write. We follow the same rule, product of two functions. So, first into differentiation of second plus second into differentiation of first, and when we differentiate y, then it will be the same rule like sin y into cos y, x square y square will be into 2y, only we multiply it with dy by dx, and once the differentiation is complete, we take the terms with dy by dx to one side and get the value of dy by dx. So, this is one type. I come to the next.